My name's John Blaskew. I'm the MD of Line Equipment. Line Equipment manufactures vertical form, fill and seal machines, which are commonly known as baggers. We also do horizontal machines, which are known as flow wrappers, dosing machines, which are known as volumetrics, but we also make a lot of conveyors and auxiliary equipment. We know that the market is very big out there, and we need to produce a machine that is capable and practical to work in that kind of marketplace, because we do serve the industry, everything from the breakfast cereals to electronic components to frozen vegetables. It's a very, very big market.
My name is Ian Whitemore. I'm the Works Manager at Line Equipment, and I'm responsible for overseeing the production, development of new projects, or basically anything else that goes on within Line Equipment. The machines have evolved over the last few years, mainly for two reasons. The introduction of investment in CNC machinery, so that we can actually produce all of the parts in-house, and secondly, with the partnership with Omron, it's been a learning process. They've spent a lot of time and commitment with us, with their expertise in making the machine a much more advanced machine to be put out onto the market.
My name's Wayne Court. I'm Field Application Engineer for Omron Electronics. My main role at Line Equipment is implementing software and hardware into their machine solution. In the early days of the relationship with Line Equipment, visits were frequent as we developed and evolved the machine. At present day, Line Equipment have much more confidence in the technology, and we really only visit now to add functionality demanded by the customer. We brought along our expertise in control engineering for things like diagnostics, on-screen temperature control, and even developments later on for the servo jaws.
The relationship with Omron started over 10 years ago now. Once we was convinced that they could understand our product, the relationship, the partnership has worked very, very well over the last 10 years. We are now also in the process of developing our next generation of machinery, and they are helping us very much at the moment.
My name's Sean Cross. I'm a field sales engineer for Omron Electronics, and my role is to identify new customers, coordinate support for existing customers. I'm essentially the liaison between the office and the customer, so I'm there with the customer every step. Omron Electronics is able to offer an extensive level of support to Line Equipment. This can take a multitude of formats, including telephone support, team viewer support, on-site support. However, it's important to note this on-site support is often offered at the end user site in order to meet the end user needs and keep the level of production. This is valued by the end customer and Line Equipment.
One of the challenges that we've faced over the last few years is the introduction of servo jaws into our lineup of machines. We managed to manufacture all the mechanical parts, and with the help and expertise of the Omron guys, they came in and spec'd servo drives and controllers, and now we have a low-cost, reliable servo machine which has opened up the market a lot for us. Also in the process, we've actually included a diagnostic screen for customers to be able to fault find themselves, and also incorporated the temperature controllers onto the screen, which has enabled us to get a much better finish on the bag, keeping the customers happy basically.
In the Line Equipment solution, we've used a range of Omron products, including the NS8 HMI, G5 servo motor and drive, SmartStep servo motor and drive, and CJ2 PLC. We've tailored the software in the Line Equipment machine so that as new functionality is added, this becomes part and parcel of the next generation of machines. This can be switched in and out using the HMI by the operator or by the Line Equipment engineers.
The benefits working from Omron are the backup. It's first class. If we need anything, they are normally straight on the phone to us. If we need an engineer, we can get one within 24 hours. It's been very good that respect. With their control systems, we've actually been able to make our machines a lot better. But from our side also, they're very competitive on price, which is one of the things that Line Equipment was looking for in a partnership with control systems people.
I think the relationship between Line Equipment and Omron is so successful because the respect that we have for each other, we have respect in the quality of the machines that Line Equipment produce, and they have respect in the automation products that Omron bring to their machine solution. I think this is a partnership that will go into the future.
The tangible benefits to our customers with being in partnership with Omron is that we now have a good, reliable machine, low cost, spares and everything are very readily available, and with the help of Omron, that's what we actually have now. So, you know, the main objective is to keep customers happy, and that's what we're doing.